गोंयांत पावसाळी पर्यटनाचेर भर दितले अशें पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन सांगलें। पावसाळी पर्यटना खातीर गोंयांत पर्यटकांक आकर्शीत करपा खातीर कितें करपाक जाय हे विशीं चर्चा करपा खातीर पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन पर्यटना कडेन संबंदीत आशिल्ल्या स्टेक होल्डरांची बसका घेतली। गोंयांत पावसाळी पर्यटन कशें तयार करूं येता, पर्यटकांक आकर्शीत करपा खातीर तांकां कसल्यो सवलती दिवं येतात ह्या विशयाचेर मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन वेवसायिकां कडेन चर्चा केली। आयकात ताचें म्हणणें।
The focus was on monsoon tourism and how we can come together collaboratively and cooperatively in this competitive market by getting packages and ensuring that we promote Goa in the right sense. As we have been talking about Goa beyond beaches, there are a lot of cultural experiences in this monsoon, whether we are talking about Saunjiao, Chikalkalo, Bandera, or we are talking about the culinary aspect of it, or we are talking about the hinterlands, the trails. There are so many things to Goa that we need to come and put it effectively. आता jenna competition has been there in terms of the countries which we talk about, whether it's the Vietnam or we're talking about other countries like Sri Lanka or other places, Indonesia. We are also talking about the pricing aspect of it, which we need to look at in terms of broadly how the market corrections are required. So in detail, we have had a discussion with the hotel industry and the airlines industry in terms of curating packages, in terms of certain corrections if they need to look at, in terms of keeping in mind not Goa only as a destination, but keeping in mind the competitiveness from the other countries, which we need to relook at in terms of losing business as far as Goa is concerned. UAE and Middle East has been a big market which can be promoted, so the whole package from the airlines needs to come in. And similarly, the OTA platforms have a big role to play in promoting and putting things right as far as the experience is concerned. And other than the experiences, the overall feel about and the stay in Goa. A lot of packages, right from thinking about our nostalgic moments in college to talking about solo travelers, talking about women traveling alone, to talking about conventions and things have been brought on the table. And the hotel industry, which is along with Jack, Ranjit, Kanika and the whole team, the OTA platforms and the airlines people have rest assured today that they will discuss within themselves, putting a lot of things together, including ideas of how we can increase our stay in Goa, why cooperation between the hoteliers and the airlines partners, so that the tourist also gets a good experience. At the same time, he is able to ensure, especially the target audience between the middle class and the upper middle class, who are the highest spenders today as far as the country is concerned, the domestic tourist is concerned. And by this Friday, we have told them to curate things which are required to be forwarded and promoted as far as tourism in Goa is concerned and the monsoon is concerned. आमचो monsoon इतलो बरो आसता, पण एखादी लोकांक खबरूच ना that what best happens in Goa is during the monsoon. And it is one of the best times that people coming into Goa can get great moments, not only by the sea, but Goa beyond beaches. So ताज्या खातीर आज आमी जेन्ना हे सगळे पॉइंट्स उलयल्ले आसात, we will be meeting them in the next week. But before that, they will be putting things together to ensure that Goa as a preferred destination attracts the best as far as international and domestic footfalls are concerned, ensuring a full tourism. The full tourism itself will be the best advertising for the season coming, saying that what we are talking about means business. And people who have been trying to influence Goa in the wrong direction, I think with the government, we will also work out things which will ensure that wrong messaging, wrong selling, wrong advertising of Goa for personal interest or for gratification, which otherwise may not be a part of this whole discussion.